Hello and welcome to another episode of Extreme Deep Cleaning. Today we are going to be tackling the kitchen. This kitchen clean will be in two parts because there is quite a bit to cover, but together we are going to get it done. Besides cleaning and decluttering, I also love to make videos about Bath & Body Works and cozy seasonally relevant content. Now that fall is around the corner, things on my channel are going to get extremely cozy and autumnal soon. I actually am very close to meeting one of my goals. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers so that I can do a huge Bath & Body Works giveaway, and I am currently at 791. Every single subscriber counts, and it would mean so much to me if you could click that red subscribe button down below this video. If you are already subscribed to me, then thank you so much and I appreciate you. Before I can start on my deep cleaning to-do list, I'm just going to whiz through the kitchen and do a general tidy to get any dishes and misplaced items out of the way. Does anyone agree with me when I say the only time that it's annoying that something is clean is when it's dishes in the dishwasher? At this point, I like to take an analytical look over the room and identify anything that needs to be purchased or repaired. In this case, I know that some painting on the ceiling needs to be done, as well as fixing up the gashes in almost all of the cabinets. Now we are ready to start cleaning. Don't forget to start from the top and work your way down so you don't knock dust onto surfaces that you've already cleaned. I'm going to give these dusty curtains a bath in my laundry room sink since they are really easy to take down and put back up. I'm going to use cool water and color-safe laundry soap to help keep the colors from bleeding out too much. To clean the window, I'm using tint-safe glass cleaning foam since this window is tinted. Next, I'm going to work from top to bottom, emptying out the cabinets and drawers so I can give them a good wipe down using the Method multi-purpose spray in the grapefruit scent. This is a good time to analyze your dishes and declutter anything you no longer need. I already did an extreme decluttering series before this, so I'm good for now. In the cards above, I've linked my decluttering series if you need any motivation in that department. Okay, I'm done letting my curtains soak now, and I'm just using my sister's toothbrush to swirl that around. I'm kidding. I always keep a couple toothbrushes specifically for cleaning on hand. So I'm going to pull these out of their bath and get them drying. Then I will proceed with the drawers and cabinets. Okay, now that I've cleaned up all of the cabinets, it's time to address the fridge. We have a serious condiment issue, and underneath all of the food that we are storing, there are parsley leaves from that one time I let my parsley get crispy and make a huge mess everywhere. So let's finally get this organized and cleaned. I'm first going through the door of the fridge and checking on expiration dates and making 2 piles, one to throw away and one to return to the fridge. The left side goes back in, and the right side is going to be tossed. I used up the tail end of my Method spray on the cabinets, so now I'm switching to Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle Multi-Surface Spray. I kept having to look it up because I could never remember how to properly use the crisper drawers, so while we clean, I'm going to pass on what I learned in case it helps someone else remember. Keep one drawer on low humidity, and keep the other drawer on high humidity. You can use paper or kitchen towels to line the bottoms because it will help absorb moisture and make it easier for cleanups. Here's how I think of it. If it rots, it goes in low. This includes apples, avocados, ginger root, citrus. If it wilts, it goes in high. This includes lettuce, herbs, carrots, and celery. Alright, we are done in the fridge and it's looking so much better. I still need to work on using up some condiments, but at least everything is relevant, organized, and clean. The last thing I'm going to do today is wash up the trash area. And we will address this hot mess in a moment. Alright, we are done for today. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the release of the part 2 to this kitchen deep clean, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.